hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole video. Hey boys and girls, Mr. Smith here, and I got a great art project for you. January 17th, Monday, is Martin Luther King Day. And I like to show you how easy it would be for you to show your respect for the great Martin Luther King by creating a birthday cake drawing in his honor. So if you'd like to find out how to do this, all you need to do is just watch. As I move my hand around, nice gentle motion. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make a smiling face. But I need it to be as long as wide as my lips. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to go to the sides of the ellipse. And I'm going to bring a line straight down. I can see the little side of the ellipse right there. Bring that straight down. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now I know I have a little bit of the smile coming out. That's okay. That's fine. Because I'm going to take my trusty eraser and go over it and fix it. Okay. Now I got my shape in layers. So what I'm going to do right now is make another smiling face, and it's going to come right about here. It's going to go there. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to maybe go up just to I'll fix it later. I'm going to fix this part that's going outside. And I'm going to outline too. But the next thing I want to do is some drippy icing. I love icing that looks like it's dripping down the cake like water drops. So I'm going to make these wavy lines, making this drippy icing. And I want some that's short and some that's long. Some that's skinny and short, long, medium size. And that one's going to stop right here. Okay? Alright. Now with those, you can end up doubling the line if you really want to get fancy. So come around. Almost like an outline. Just following this line. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add color. Probably going to take my drawing and add it into my iPad and add the color that way. Alright, now I can come in. I'm going to erase these lines in here. Inside the icing, we don't need those. Now, another thing I can do is not only have the icing that looks like it's dripping that way, I can make it drip reverse. So almost like it's dripping up. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do some little drips, smaller drips, medium sized ones, little teeny ones, longer ones. And then I can do the same thing again. Go around. Going to make some wavy lines on the top of the cake, and then I'm going to use my ruler to create about 5 candles. If Dr. King had still been living, he'd be 93, but we don't want to set the cake on fire. So 5 candles should be sufficient for this cake. Putting little curving lines at the top and the end. Then I want to draw the curving lines for the flames, and the cake is just about done. It's time to outline. So I'm going to take my Sharpie and go over all my pencil lines, and then I'm going to take my eraser and erase any little ghosts that remain from the pencil. I have a little brush that I'm going to use to get rid of all my eraser crumbs, and then it's time to download to my iPad. And once I have it in there, then it's time to start writing Happy Birthday, Dr. King. I have a dream. These are the things that will personalize this cake and make it look just right. We need some balloons, some bright colors, because this is a birthday cake and we want to let everyone know how proud and happy we are for Dr. Martin Luther King. And if you want to find out about Dr. King, I suggest you go to your library and get a book or watch one of the many films on his life and times, or even watch one of Mr. Smith's videos where Mr. Smith draws Dr. King using Procreate. I give a full background on his biography. Thanks for watching. Take care. Enjoy your day of service.